Hidden inside the computer are all the electronic gadgets which make the computer work. First of all, inside we have the hard drive, which contains all the data in your computer. Hard drives come in many sizes, and as technology is progressing further, the size of the hard drive keeps on changing every month. It can contain all types of data and information and much more. At the time of this tutorial, the hard drive of modern computers consisted of 40 gigabytes to literally hundreds of gigabytes. The most electrical gadget in the console is known as the motherboard. And the motherboard is where most of the important things on the computer are situated. The most important thing on the motherboard is the microprocessor, which is also known as the CPU or Central Processing Unit, and is the heart of the computer. It does all the calculations and processes involving the data. The faster the processing speed, the faster the computer. Some of the top available are Intel Pentium and AMD processors. They are currently rated by speeds measured in gigahertz. The motherboard mainly consists of memory, power supply, floppy, CD-ROM, and hard drive connectors, and expansion slots, and other components which you do not have to worry about at this stage.